Today I have some vintage Halloween projects for an apothecary. Project number one is a potion book. This is one of the ceramic books from Dollar Tree, and I'm giving it a coat of acrylic paint in a gloss finish. Once the paint had dried, I used some antique gold rub and buff just to highlight those raised edges. I also used the rub and buff along the pages. Now I'm going to use this leather Halloween piece from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut out one that looks like a label, and I'm going to glue it on the front of the book. Project number two is going to be 2 apothecary bottles. One of them is a bottle that I got at Dollar General, and the other one is just an old beer bottle. Again, I'm going to be using some of these leather pieces and gluing this label on the front of the smaller bottle, and then I'm going to cut some of the leather to fit all the way around the beer bottle. Once the label was in place, I decided to use some hot glue to cover up the threads around the top of the bottle. So I used it and let the glue drip down the side of the bottle as if poison were dripping down. Project number 3 are some spooky candle holders. I'm going to be using these hands from Dollar Tree. I thought I would need the little square cubes, but I did not need those after all. Instead, I wired the hands together, and then I'm going to place them around what is actually the top of the candle holder so that I can put the actual candle on the bottom of the candle holder. So I'm just flipping it upside down and letting it hold a larger candle on the top. Project number 4 is one of these wooden bottle signs from Dollar General. Did not remove the metal part at the top because it was nailed on with small nails, but I am painting the bottom part of the bottle with Waverly white chalk paint because I will be decoupaging on this bottle. The top of the bottle I'm painting with Waverly black ink chalk paint. Once the paint dried, I did apply a coat of Mod Podge onto the bottom part of the bottle and I let that dry. I found this Tim Holtz collage paper at Tuesday morning, and I'm going to be using a part of it, and I'm going to use the iron-on method to apply it to the bottle. Once it was completely adhered, I used my finger sander and I sanded off the excess around all the sides of the bottle. I also tied on one of these smaller chalkboard signs to the top and applied a rub-on transfer from Dollar Tree. If you've enjoyed these Apothecary Vintage Halloween projects, be sure and give this video a thumbs up and let me know which one was your favorite. Remember to share the chic. Thanks for watching. Bye now.